Okay, it doesn't matter if you're a student or a teacher, this video is for you. If you are a teacher, you're realizing that post-pandemic, a lot of kids were playing Fortnite all of last year, not paying attention to what we were doing online with them, and they came back and a lot of them lost their times tables. They don't know their multiplication facts. This is an issue in trying to teach kids algebra, right? How am I expected to teach a kid algebra? They don't even know how to multiply 7 times 8. So we gotta get those back. I know it takes time in the classroom that we don't wanna give up, but we as students and teachers need to realize that that's one of the issues we're dealing with, and we gotta tackle it. We gotta come back to it until we move forward. Really, we gotta go back to move forward. It's just the scenario we find ourselves in. So one of the games that I play is called Quick Draw. This is a great way for you and your class, just 5-10 minutes out of the day on a Friday, right before you go off to the weekend, or maybe for an entry task before class starts and you're about to begin your lesson. Play this game with your students to bring those multiplication times tables back into their minds so they can quick with them. Challenging them to do them quick, taking away the calculator from them, back to recall. So Quick Draw, how's it work? Quite simple. I usually will split my class up into two sides. So right side, left side, let them pick a team name. Kids like doing that, and then they get more involved, more engaged with what you're doing. Okay, so I pull a kid up from one side of the room, pull a kid up from the other side of the room. This is one of those things in my class where there is no saying I'm not coming up, right? That is it. You do not get that option. You're in my room. You are a part of this process. You are a part of that team. You're a part of that team. You better participate. So there's no saying, no, I don't want to go. Okay, so make sure that that's clear with kids prior to starting. All right, pull a kid up from one side, pull a kid up from another side, and have them go back to back. So these kids are going to stand back to back like this. They don't have to touch if they don't want to. And then when I say ready, set, go, they're going to quick draw. They're going to turn around and they're going to throw down either one hand or they're going to throw down two hands. Okay, if you throw down two hands, you can go all the way up to 10. Why? Because we got 10 fingers. Throw down one hand, you're only going up through 5. All right, so let's imagine that I have somebody on my back right now. I say ready, set, go as the teacher, and I throw down a 3, and the person against me throws down a 5. The first one to multiply those two values together and say it out loud wins. So 5 and 3, first person to yell 15 gets a point for their side of the room. Remember, you have them split side to side, celebrate it, clap it up, call 2 new kids down, and you can just rapid fire through this as quick as you want, okay? Great opportunity, great way for kids to practice their times tables in a quick and orderly way. They're gonna enjoy it, they're gonna have fun, they're gonna celebrate and turn it into a competition, okay? Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.